ये तो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, इनको पैसा मिला है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं, you know. So I was thinking that नहीं, इसको मैं ना uncollaborated रखती हूँ so that at least people will believe and take it and you know use these great products. This particular hair kit surprised me more than I can tell you. Priced at just this much. I'm talking about the WishCare hair care range, which is powered by rice fermented water. Now you know, if you've been a part of this channel, that I use fermented rice water to keep my hair healthy, elastic and overall growing. This particular kit is packed in nutrients like protein, magnesium, folic acids, vitamin B and vitamin K, which means the overall hair health is maintained beautifully. You're not going to have breakage of hair if that's your problem. If you keep having breakage of hair, your hair will not grow very well and you'll have a lot of frizz. So it maintains overall hair elasticity and also keeps your hair soft and bouncy. Let's get into the ingredients because that is what is really important. Now, as you'll see on your screen over here, yes, it has ingredients that are going to keep the formulation together, but look at the natural ingredients that it's got. It's got fermented rice water, of course. It's got vegetable glycerin. Glycerin makes sure there's a lot of moisture and hydration in your hair. It's got castor oil. Castor oil is famed in Ayurveda and in the Indian system that really helps in making your hair grow. Even though the scientists contested, but a lot of dermatologists or hair specialists or trichologists now say कि भैया आप use करिए. Castor oil is not scientifically documented, but by experience everybody swears by castor oil. It's got arnica extract, which is very good in calming your scalp and keeping it bacteria free, fungal free. It's a very curative product, healing product. Along with that, it's got vitamin E, it's got soy protein. Soy protein means it will keep your hair healthy. Protein is very, very important for making sure the shaft or the cuticle of your hair is beautifully smoothened out. It's got coconut oil and almond oil, oils that we swear by. I'm used to having a lot of silicone in my hair care products because it kind of, I feel, keeps my shaft smoother. So post the hair wash with this shampoo, I felt my hair were a little dry. Till I went ahead and used the hair mask. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous magic just rained on my hair. It immediately became soft and smooth and beautiful. I kept it for about 5-10 minutes. Washed it off and then used the conditioner. Now, if you want to save time, here is a tip and I've used it. It really works beautifully. Shampoo, mask, keep it for 5-10 minutes. Don't wash it off. Go in with your conditioner. You'll need a little bit of conditioner, plus it will still do the same job. That's what my experience is. The mask is the next level, really. The beautiful ingredients, the pea protein, the wheat protein, a rice bran oil. क्या magic formulation है. I mean, you have to use it, guys, and then come back to me and tell me. It has a gorgeous fragrance which just leaves your hair smelling beautiful. Perfect for a date night. Telling you, try it. This particular rice water hair care system is curated under expert supervision for the precise concentration and duration. And I think that is why you see the results when you start using these products. Now, the DIY is something that is a little tricky to do at home because, if you over ferment it, your hair can actually get a protein overload. So only if you've been doing it for some time do you get the right amount of time to, ferment it so that your hair actually comes out looking soft without being very soggy. Because, fermentation is a result of आप कौन सा rice use कर रहे हैं, आपके water में कितना bacteria है, what is the temperature, the environment that you're keeping it in, so that your hair actually comes out looking soft without being very soggy. I mean, if you know what protein overload on hair looks like, it kind of clamps your hair down, it feels dull and it feels very lifeless. And ये बहुत practice के साथ ही आता है. So in सबसे better is to use great rice water products, and what beautiful set of products these are. Let's move on to the ingredients in the conditioner. The rice water conditioner has almost similar ingredients, so you get added goodness. Along with that, it also has aloe in it. So aloe goes in and locks in even more moisture in the hair. You can actually feel the difference almost immediately, guys. I mean, you have to use this kit and tell me how beautifully soft and gorgeous your hair becomes. Now, I don't know if you know, but I'm obsessed with fashion color, and I also color my hair because I have grays. Despite that, my hair is never dry and definitely not straw-like. And the reason for that is good products which give you nutrition while also maintaining the softness and elasticity and slip in your hair. If your hair is not well slip in terms of your product is not giving you that good slip, your hair can break a lot. So even if you have length, you'll have a lot of broken hair, so your hair will be very frizzy. So frizziness is not only a result of having a lot of moisture in the air, but also the fact that your hair is very dry, and so it's attracting a lot of water from the environment, and therefore your hair gets very frizzy. You know, I fell so much in love with these products. As you can see over here, this is my last rinse, and you can almost see how smooth and tangle-less and beautiful my hair is already looking. There are no tangles in the hair at all. It just completely coats your hair beautifully with an end-to-end smoothness and silk. Just when I thought I couldn't find another hair care product which was nourishing, softening for my colored dried hair, I was surprised. I was really thinking that, whenever you do a collaborated video, everybody says, ये तो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, इनको पैसा मिला है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं, But what you don't realize is that actually collaborated videos, I'm speaking for myself, I have to make sure that the product is working at 200%, right? Because you don't want to be that person who is taking money and selling a product which is like faltu, right? So I was thinking that नहीं इसको मैं ना uncollaborated रखती हूँ, so that at least people will believe and take it and use these great products. But I was making a little money on this, which I think is a good thing because a lot of effort goes into especially creating videos like this, where there is just so much of footage and so much of time spent. And I hope you get to use them, and do let me know how they work out for you. For more, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.